Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Here we are guys on the Hollywood Fun House. Oh, we're in a mirror maze. It's quite tight in here. I've got my hand out to... Oh, that's much easier than I thought it would be. Yeah, I'll get the hamster wheel. Yeah. Moving stairs. Oh my god, that's a workout and a half. Yeah, I'm up. I'm gonna go through this gate, yeah. No. Oh, that's scary, that bridge. Very scary. Holy macaroni. We've got some unspinning disc. Very old. Oh, just spin a wee bit. Only if you do it yourself. I've got a slide here. That'll be fun if I... Oh my god, I hate these things with rollers. Oh, Jesus. What's this way? Oh, that does not feel safe. Up some more stairs, guys. Oh my god, there's two slides! It's gonna be fun. Down the slide we go. Woo! Oh, that was faster than I expected. Oh. Woo! That was faster than I... Ooh. Fridge. I almost slipped. That was fun. A lot faster than I thought. It's like a log flume, I got wet at the bottom. Now for the big spiral slide, guys. I can see myself getting stuck in this thing. I guess I lie right back down. Oh my god.